Good morning, everyone. Am I audible? So, if you have any doubts in yesterday's session, do let me know. Yesterday, we discussed about how to proceed with the contents of the course. Just a given overview of what contents to be covered in this course, right? So, today we'll start with the environment, installation of the environment, then followed by uh, we'll go with the course. So, any questions? So anybody newly joined today so that
Yes,
yeah.
yes, I joined today. Today is
Yeah.
my first day.
Yeah. Okay. Can I know your introduction?
Okay, my name is Godfred. I'm in the US. I'm joining for the first time. I don't have any background in Python, so that's why I'm
Okay.
trying to join this class to have more knowledge about it. Yes, and also have the practical experience of it.
Okay. Yeah. Next.
So absolutely, I'm new here. I don't know anything from the scratch here, so I'm new.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Next.
Yeah, could you please, excuse me, could you please turn your volume up a little bit, please?
Yeah. Hello. Yeah.
I'm also new. It's my first day
Okay.
and no previous, no prior knowledge on Python. So I'm looking forward to learning.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Hi there. I'm also joining for the first day today. Basically, I'm joining for my son. He's 15 and he's interested to learn Python. He's doing other coding,
Okay.
like C# and all, but he's interested to learn Python. Do you think it would be best for him to be part of this course?
Yeah. It is it's a fundamental course to start with uh, because artificial intelligence domain needs Python knowledge. Tomorrow, if you want to learn data science or machine learning, generative AI, natural language processing, all these are possible with Python only. So Python is I can say it's a first programming language we can start with without any coding knowledge. So and especially yeah for
That's
a
good.
yeah, especially for a fresher, it's I can say it's the first coding language they may start with.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Next,
Uh,
yeah.
and is it Monday to Friday, right?
Yes, Monday to Friday. Yes.
Okay.
Anyone join today?
Yeah, I have
Yeah,
joined.
Nitish
This is
Dubey.
my
Yeah.
first class.
Yeah.
Yeah, Nitin.
So, did you go on through the yesterday's recording in YouTube? I just
Yes,
explained.
not all. Today, just I got this mail. It
Okay.
means recorded session yesterday.
Okay.
I will go through today, not
Okay.
tomorrow.
Just I'll summarize what I discussed yesterday so that you get an idea.
Sure.
Yeah. Next,
Okay.
Abhya Maurya. I think you are also
Yes,
posted.
sir. Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning. You're from?
Sir, I'm Gazipur, UP.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Francis. Francis Jappi. Are you there, Francis?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I'm from the US. Yeah, I use Python a lot at work, so I just want to refresh it.
Okay, okay. Rabindra Panigrahi.
Hi, good morning, sir. I joined yesterday classes.
Okay, study you are there. Okay. Okay. So anyway, let me revise what we discussed yesterday before going to further. Okay. So that as I mentioned yesterday, just I discussed about what contents are going to be covered in this course. So this is what yesterday we discussed. Uh, I will start today about this environment, how to install. This is the environment we are going to use this in this course. Most probably Python IDLE and Jupyter Notebook. And these are other environments. Maybe you can prefer or you can use as well. That is PyCharm, Visual Studio Code, Spider, and Colab. Okay, and these are the contents I'll start with. I'll start with basic keywords followed by identifiers. Next, input and output functions. Next, type function. Then followed by operators. We'll discuss all different types of operators. There are 7 operators are there in Python. Then we'll talk about data types. We'll start with very basic data types. I can be there float, string, boolean, and complex. Next, we'll focus on advanced data types as well. That is list, tuple, sets, and dictionaries. Next, we'll discuss about control structures. So in that, there are 3 type of control structures are there. One is conditional statements. In conditional statements, again, we have there are 4 conditional statements: simple if statement, if else, nested if else, and elif. Then followed by we have a loops like while and for loop. Next, we have a jumping statements like break, continue, and pass. After that, we'll move on to functions. So we know what do you mean by function and how to define a function. What are all the different types of functions? What is predefined? What is user defined? Next, how to write your own function. Okay. How to define a function, how to call a function. And different types of functions depending on arguments and return type. And of course, we'll see what is argument, what is return type as well. And depending on the different types of return types and arguments, we'll see 4 types of functions like with return type, with argument, with return type, without argument, and without return type, without argument, and without return type with argument. So we can write a single program by using all these 4 functions. Also, we'll see different use cases for that as well. Then we'll talk about arguments types. There are 4 types of arguments like required argument, default argument, keyword argument, and variable length arguments. Then we'll talk about recursion. So we'll see a couple of use cases for recursion and what is the difference between non-recursive program and recursive program. And then we'll talk about what is the scope of a variable and lifetime of a variable. Based on that, we'll see what are all the different types of variables, what is local, what is global. And then we'll talk about modules concept. So there we'll see what do you mean by module and what are all the different types of modules are there. What is predefined module, and we'll see some couple of examples for predefined module like NumPy module, OS module, Pandas module. Then we'll talk about user-defined module, how to create your own user-defined module, and also how to access this module in another program. Then we'll talk about packages, how to create your own package, and also how to access a predefined package. And once you created your own package, how to access that package in other program to utilize it without rewriting. And then we'll discuss about file handling. So first of all, we'll talk about what is a file and what are all the different types of operations can be performed on a file. Like what is read operation, what is write operation, how to append some data to a file. And also we'll talk about directories, how to create a directory, how to delete a directory, and how to rename a directory. Then how to perform all these operations on files. Next, exception handling, we'll discuss about what is exception and what are all the different types of exceptions are there in Python, and how to handle them. You can handle the exceptions by using different blocks, like try block we'll use, except block, finally block, and even we'll talk about how to handle multiple exceptions. So after this, we'll for every topic, as I mentioned, we'll do some use case. Okay, so we'll do some minor project as well, uh, combining all these concepts. So this is our overall content. Now I'll start with the requirements, because as I mentioned, it's mostly hands-on session. So you need to be ready with the requirements. Okay. So first, we'll install this Python IDLE. So this is the requirement to start your Python programming. We are going to write all the programs in IDLE only. Okay. So if you want to install Python IDLE, so you need to visit the official website, that is www.python.org. So this is the official website you can visit. So I'll show you python.org. So this is the official website. So here you can see here, there is an option called downloads here, the second tab. So downloads, here just you click on this button. There is a button with Python 3.13.7. This is the latest Python version. So just you click on this button. So if anybody is there with your computer, then you can do now itself. If you are getting any issues, I'll help you. So for Windows users, you can see Python 3.3 on 3.7, that is the latest version. You can click on this button. When you click on this button, you will see one file is getting downloaded. Okay, so for Mac users, just you click on the Mac OS, and you can see here it is Mac OS 64-bit universal to installer. So you need to click on this link. Okay, so anybody is doing, so that I'll help you to install. Okay, just once you click on this, let's say I'm clicking this. Okay, it is getting downloaded here. So here, once your download is done, you can see here, once your download is done, just open a particular downloaded file. Okay, just you double click and it will be installed. Just to double click it, it will be installed. So anybody is doing right now? If anybody is doing, I'll help you. If you are okay,
Yes,
so
like
just
want to do, but I don't know if you can put the link so that I will just click on in the chat.
yeah, I'll share the link in chat. Okay, for this one, python.org. This is for Mac users. And this is for Windows users. Okay, so let me show you. Once this file is getting downloaded, okay, you go to that particular location, the file, just you double click this, just you double click that file. If you double click, you can see this window. Okay, here you need to check this checkbox. There is a checkbox, add python.exe to path. So you need to tick this checkbox and you need to click on install now. Just to click on install now and use. It's going to ask account control. Yes. Now it is started installing. Anybody is doing? Do let me know if anybody is doing. Are you able to get the screen?
In
Yep.
Windows, I'm doing.
Yeah. Are you able to see this screen? Did you
Yeah.
downloaded the .exe file?
Yeah.
Okay, so setup, is it in progress for you also?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So it may take max 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so setup was successful. After installation, you will see the message setup was successful. Just you click on close button and you go to start, and you search with Python. Okay, so actually I installed many versions. So in your case, you can see. Okay, so you can see something like this.
Still in progress.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah, it may take some time. Once it is installed, you can go to start and you can see. So anybody completed? Anybody done?
Still in progress.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Progress.
Okay.
I am on a MacBook.
Yeah. Okay. I shared you the link for Mac as well, right?
Yeah. So do I have to open I installed it, and is it the idle shell? Is what we are going to run?
Shell. Yes. Ideal shell. This is a look and feel. Okay. So this is how it looks like. Ideally shell.
Okay.
Okay. So if you want to check, you can type something here. Just you write print, try to print, let's say, hello. And it's going to print the output.
Okay.
It's going to print something on the screen. Okay. So if anybody completed, just you check by printing something on the screen. So it's going to, let's say, even I can add something. I will add 2 numbers.
So I think I'm lost. So after the download is complete, what next after the installation? I'm done with the installation. So what next?
Next, you go to start. Once it is installed, you go to start. Okay, start and you search with Python. You can see
Okay.
IDLE. There is an icon with IDLE. Just to open it. Okay, so once you open, you can see this icon there.
Which one? Okay.
Okay, now just you check it whether it's working or
Mhm.
not. Just you type print something and print, and it should be displayed on the screen. Whatever you are writing here, that will be
It's
displayed on.
working.
Yeah, okay. Okay, so still anybody is doing or any issues?
Mm,
So anybody is still getting any issue or is it installed or not?
Sir, is Python Idle Visual Studio better than?
No. Ideally is preferable for beginners.
Okay.
Visual Studio, actually it is okay, but as a beginner, you are supposed to write everything. So that's why I can say you will go with ideally.
Yeah.
In Visual Studio and even in Jupyter Notebook and even in other environments, as I mentioned other environments. In other environments, you will get some support from the environment. So that is not important. Actually, for a fresher, you need to write everything on your own from scratch, right? So that is the reason why I'm asking you to go with this environment.
Okay, sir.
But
Thank you.
after a few days, I'll show you that environment also. But most probably we are going to use this environment because this is an environment where you are going to learn everything from scratch.
Yeah, sir.
Okay. So that is the reason why I'm asking you to go with this. But after a couple of days, I'll show you other environments also where you are going to use that environment also. Maybe you can use that environment for writing same program. Okay. Na? So I hope
Okay.
everyone done with the installation and you are able to see the screen ideally shell.
Yes.
You check it out whether is it installed properly or not by writing something, by printing
Yes.
something. You can print anything. Let's say you want to do some. So just I want to do some subtraction. Okay. You want to do even you can multiply. So everyone are able to get the results. Just if you try to add two numbers, or if you try to subtract two numbers, and if you are trying to multiply them, or even let's say
Yes,
I'll
I am able to.
yeah, okay. So if you are getting, then your installation is successful and you are ready to use this environment to write program. Of course, this is not a program. Just I'm checking the environment. That's it. This is not a program. Just I'm writing a couple of examples to check the environment whether it is properly installed or not. Okay. So I hope it's done for everyone, or still anybody is still doing installation, or anybody facing any issues.
For me, no, I'm done.
Yeah. Okay. And you check the environment, right? You written
Yes.
some
Yes.
examples, whatever I show.
Everything is working.
Yeah. Okay. So then the environment is ready. Now you are able to write a program in this Python IDLE, right? So to write a program, you need to go to File, click on New File. Okay. Go to File, click on New File. So if you click on New File, you can see Untitled, an empty window, Untitled, right? So here I'll write something. Let's say print this is first program. Okay. So I'm writing something in this window, empty window in Python. Okay, this is first program in Python, and even let me write. Let's say today is August 26th. Okay. So just I written these 2 lines. So I'm writing print, this is first program in Python, and today is August 26th, right? So I want to save this. This is my program. Just I want to save this. Go to File, click on Save As. Okay. Go to File, click on Save As, and you can select some location where you want to save this file. So here I'm selecting this. I created a folder, a separate folder. This folder name, I given some name. Okay, in this folder, I'm going to save with some name. The name you can give any name, but I'm giving first. Okay. If anybody is not following, do let me know. Just I'm trying to explain you how to write a
Yes,
program.
but can you just, maybe it's like you are speeding a little. I don't know if you can just, so that we just be picking from, I don't know if it's okay.
Yeah, any issues? Are you facing any issue?
Issue, but I just want to follow, yeah.
Yeah, okay, 1 minute. I think you got this empty window, right? Untitled window.
Please, yes.
Okay, so just you write a couple of statements like this.
Okay.
Okay, so done. This is done. Just I'm trying to explain you how to write a new program in IDLE. Because we installed IDLE, so you need to know how to write a program in IDLE.
Okay.
Okay, so this is a program. This is a sample program I'm writing, right? Is it done?
Okay. Yes.
Okay, now this program need to be saved, right? So to save this, go to File. Okay. Click on Save As.
Okay.
Okay. When you click on Save As, it will show you your computer, right? So in which location you want to save? Let's say I want to save it on desktop. Okay, or you want to create some folder. In some folder you need to save. So you need to select a location where you want to save. Let's say here I want to save in some location. This is the location. Wherever you want, you can save, no problem. It doesn't matter. I'm saving in this location. You can save in desktop also, or even you can save it in some other folder. Wherever you want, you can save there, no problem. It doesn't matter. Okay. But once you selected the location where you are saving, just you need to give some name. I'm giving, let's say, some name. I'm giving a, let's say, first is the name of the file. Just you can give any name, or even you can give first like me also, no problem. Okay. Is it clear so far, everyone?
Yes.
Okay. Just I written some program and I'm trying to save that by using some name. I given a name for that, and just I'm going to click on save. I'm going to click on save. Now, so far you can see I didn't given any name. It is showing untitled, right? As I didn't given any name, it is showing untitled. Untitled. You can see there is a star, untitled star. But now I'm trying to save with some name. The name I given as first. I need to click on save, right? Any questions? Everyone is following?
Yes.
No.
I'm following.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Just I'll click on save. Okay. When I click on save, immediately the file name is changed to first.py. Previously it is untitled. Previously it is untitled. Now it is changed to first.py, and it is the location. Immediately it will give you the location. In this case, my location is C users, my name, OneDrive, desktop. Okay. So this folder, in this folder, I have a file, first.py. So this is a file name and followed by the location it will show you, right? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes.
Okay, now I want to run this. I want to execute this program. If you want to run this program, just you go to run, click on run module. Okay, go to run and click on run module. So now this is the output of this program. Okay, what you are written and what you are getting here. You can see here the output, whatever you are getting is this one, and program what you are written, you can compare. So this is the program you got, you are written, and this is the output you got, right? So this is your program. Left side, this is your program that is in green color, and the output you can see on shell, right? Where you are seeing the output? You are seeing on a shell, right? You are seeing on shell, right? Ideally shell, right?
Yes, in blue color.
Yeah. So you're seeing output on ideally shell, and just you used only 2 lines, and that same lines will be printed on the shell here. This is output, last lines. You can see this is the first program in Python. Today is August 26th. That is the output of this program, what we written. This is how you are going to write your program in IDLE. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. So program will be written in a new file, and it will be saved in some location. Once you are done with the program, then you need to run it. Once you run, you can see the output on IDLE shell. So this is IDLE shell where you are going to see the output. Any questions to others? Is it done? Is it clear?
Yeah, I have a
Yes.
question.
You can
Okay.
see 2 windows there. Okay, one window is this left window where we are written the program and we saved it as first.py. Okay, .py we didn't given. By default it's a Python file. You will get extension .py. Just I given only first, right? While saving I given only the name first, but it is showing me as first.py. So py is the extension for a Python file. That's why it is showing us first.py, even though I didn't given .py. I given only first, right? But it's showing us first.py because .py is a by default extension for a Python file. Okay. And once you saved it, just you click on run and you run module, so that when you run this, you can see the output on IDLE shell. So this is IDLE shell where you are going to see the output of your program. Is it clear to everyone? Any questions?
Okay.
So, oh,
Okay, I hope you understood how to write a program in IDLE shell, right?
Yes.
Okay. So every program output will be displayed on shell only, IDLE shell. Okay. So now I'll start with
so I have only one question.
yes.
So, is this when we are writing a sentence, you have to keep it in brackets and given
Yeah.
like
Actually, this is
comma?
sample program. So that's why I didn't explain anything. Now I'll explain what is this print everything. Okay.
Okay.
So yeah, here you can write either in single quote or in double quote. Doesn't matter. Now actually to understand how to write a program, I given sample example. But this example also I'll explain why you are using print, why you are using this parenthesis, why you're writing single quote. Okay. So I'll explain what
Okay.
it is going to do. Okay.
Sure.
Yeah. So I hope everyone installed the IDLE, and also we seen how to write a new program. Okay, so to write a new program, open Python IDLE. Okay, then go to file. So in file, you can see new file. So that is what actually we did, right? So we'll open this Python IDLE. In this IDLE, just we go to file. In file, you can have a new file. If you click on new file, then you can see an empty window. That is what the way how you are going to write a new program, new file. So if we click on new file, we'll get an empty untitled window. Okay, so there we need to write the program. Okay, once we completed the program, we need to save. We need to save that by giving some name. Okay, then the program will be saved with that name, and also the location also. Okay, so where you saved the program, the location also showed there, right? Next, then to execute the program, we need to, okay, so to execute the program, you need to go to run and click on run module, right? So you go to run and there is an option called run module. Okay, so then we need to go to run and click on run module. Okay, so then we'll see the output of the program. On IDLE shell. Okay, so this is what we've seen so far, right? Is it clear to everyone? Any questions still?
Yes, it's clear.
Okay. So this is what we did so far, right? Now we'll see.
One
Yes.
question.
Yeah.
If we save the program, then output it won't save, right? Only the program will save.
Output won't be saved. Yes. Output is it's a dynamic, right? It is a depending on if you change the program again, output will be changed. If you want, you can copy. If you want, you can copy. Let's say, for example, I want to copy the output. Okay, so this is the output of my program. Let's say I want to copy this. Okay, you can copy this output. Just you select this output and you can copy. Let's say, for example, I want to save somewhere. So this is the output. Just I copied. Okay.
Okay.
So this is the location of the file. This is the location of the file, and this is the output of the program. Okay, you can do anything. Even if you want, you can if you want, you can take a screenshot also. So you can do as per your requirement. Let's say I'm going to take the entire screenshot. Okay, so let's say to save this, I will save it as a image. I'm going to save this as image, right? Understood. So you can save this as well. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is what we did. Any questions? Just we talked about how to write a sample program, how to execute it, and even we seen how to install Python IDLE, how to run Python IDLE. Any more questions? do let me know if you have any questions. Any questions?
I don't have a question.
Yeah, I hope everyone followed, right? Still, if you have any more questions, do let me know. So this is a second demo class, and we'll have one more demo tomorrow. And after that, the class link will be shared to only the registered learners, right? Okay, so if you don't have any questions, I'll stop here. Hope everyone understood. And still, if you have any more questions, I'll take queries from you. Any questions?
Yeah, I do. How do we get yesterday's demo?
Yesterday's demo already is there in YouTube. If you want, you can.
Oh, it's on YouTube. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
I think it's also on the WhatsApp group.
I will share you the link here. If you missed it, share you the link.
Cloud.
This is yesterday's demo. I'll share you the link.
Are you stuck with slow and manual code reviews? Meet
So I'm sharing the link in short, so that if you missed it, you can go through it. Yeah, this is yesterday's demo.
Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. So even if anybody is facing any issues, even if you didn't, sorry. Even if anybody, yeah.
No, we got for ideal Python, we got it, but you said that today we will be installing also Jupyter Notebook. So
No, the
it's not
Jupyter
going to be
Notebook
done.
actually, I'll show you tomorrow. Jupyter Notebook actually, as of now, it is not needed. Okay. And we don't use Jupyter Notebook for Python programming, but I'll show you not now. After you got some expertise with IDLE, then we'll go with Jupyter Notebook. Okay, so even as I showed you yesterday, I'll show you all the environments, but not now, because if I showed you all the environments, maybe the people who are a beginner, they will confuse. So I will show you all the environments and how to write the same program in all environments, but not now. Okay. But we are going to use this environment only for the most of the course. But still, I'll show you other environments, how to use them as well. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. So I want to know the way the class is going and the way like you've taken your time to explain to us. When the actual class starts, is it the same space that you are going, or you go in different dimensions? And if so, I think you from the first demo, we have a lot of how do you call it? A lot of topics or maybe things to know. Are we going to work? Is what you share on the first demo? Will we be able to finish within that time? Because I see a lot of things over there.
Yeah. That will be covered maximum in 30 to 35 hours. That will be covered. Every topic will be covered.
Okay, thank you.
So, excuse me. I wanted to know if our classes is gonna include Saturdays and Sundays.
No Saturday, Sunday. Only
So it's
Monday
gonna
to
be
Friday.
Monday to Friday.
Yes.
Yes. I think your time also confuses us. For me, for instance, yesterday I couldn't join because when I see Monday to Friday, I thought it's my time Monday to Friday because you are in Tuesday right now. I'm still in Monday over here. So I got confused. So I couldn't join yesterday's own. So that is one that is confusing
Monday
me.
to Friday. Monday to
Yeah,
Friday is 5:30.
likewise me too, because
yes.
I got the WhatsApp message and an email. So those two things prompted me to get ready.
Yeah. Here.
So I was expecting to start because I live in the US. I was expecting the class to get started today, but I realized the time zoning is kind of different.
Yeah. So I don't know. Maybe
I'll
Sorry,
share.
sir. I don't know
I'll
if your
sh-
people who do the timetable, they should do it in the way that, okay, for instance, Monday over here is gonna be for maybe time and this, so that maybe they share with, maybe they, if they will know our time zones and share our time for us, because yesterday like it was my Sunday, so I was
Uh-huh.
expecting to.
Okay.
So maybe
Actually,
if
it's
those who,
yeah. Here we can see here it's 5:30 a.m. IST is a time. Okay.
yes.
Yeah.
5:30 a.m. IST is a time, and if you need any help, you can contact these numbers. Okay, they'll help you, or even there is I think there is a WhatsApp group also. You can join on this group, and you can call these numbers, or even you can mail them so that they will respond if you have any queries.
Okay.
Right.
So I quickly wanted to ask this. So the Jupyter notebook you was talking about, is it gonna be on Visual Studio or Studio Code IDE, or it's gonna be like Jupyter notebook?
Yeah,
IDE on Python?
Jupyter notebook is once you got some expertise on Python, we'll use Jupyter notebook. Okay, so even
Yeah, I know.
yeah. So actually, this is how Jupyter notebook look like. But
Yeah.
as a beginner, I'm not going to introduce this. So for a couple of days, we are going to use only IDLE. And once we got some expertise, then I'll introduce Jupyter as well.
All right. Thank you.
So I think answered all the questions. So we'll see tomorrow. That is the third demo. Thank you.